What are the things that you are excited about or maybe nervous about? Okay, can be anything. Let me know. Okay. The math. Yeah, yeah. The math is a little bit always a bit of a worry in this class, but no worries. We're going to keep it as simple as we possibly can. Um, Passing it, passing your grade, keeping passing grades, right? That's always something to be, yeah. Yeah. Math. You either love math or you hate math. There's no in between, right? Yeah. Experiments, consistency. You're excited to learn. I love that one. That's fabulous. Awesome. Such great things. Awesome. So, hello, hello, hello. Luna, how are you? DC, you doing good? Okay, fabulous. I am going to go ahead and turn off this poll. I think all of those concerns are very, very valid, and I hope you're excited about a good trimester. Um, Grades are always something that causes a little bit of anxiety about, a little nervousness about. Hopefully, by the end of this week, you will feel much better about it and kind of feel a little reassured that this class is definitely doable. Okay. And I am here 100% to help you on that. Okay, so before we get going, just a couple reminders about our norms and expectations. Please remember not to share any personal information. That's for your safety as well as the classmates in this class, okay? Keep your behavior, language, and webcam school appropriate at all times. Remember that violations of these norms can result in a verbal or written warning, and nobody wants that. And last but not least, do remember that this is being recorded, and we're going to be posting these recordings for use at other times. So today is Monday, August 19th. It is the first full week of the trimester, and it's day 3 of trimester 1. Um, so you can see I've got kind of an agenda here for us and on what we're going to be doing this week. Today we're going to be talking about measurements and dimensions, okay? Tomorrow we're going to be talking about our first exam, which is due next week, and so we'll kind of talk about that, and hopefully that will kind of ease some of your fears on this, okay? And then the rest of the week, we will be doing some notes and talking about the metric system and the scientific method and all of those things. Do remember that this year's schedule is different than it has been in the past. On Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, our class periods are 45 minutes long. And then on Friday, we've got skinnies and classes are 30 minutes long. Hello, Gata. So glad you're here. Hello, hello, hello. And with that, difference in the schedules, that is what really kind of makes our recordings a little bit different and how you can access these recordings. So on Friday, we talked about the class and how to be successful in this class, what different tools you can use. Today, what I thought was I would take a minute and we're going to talk about your online high school course page. And I'm going to kind of walk you through it and where you can find these recordings, where you can find the notes in case you're absent, and why this grades tab is really your one-stop shop, okay? So I am going to do a screen share here, okay? Okay, give me a thumbs up if you can see that screen share of my OLS course page. Awesome, good job. Okay, so right now I am in my teacher mode, and you can see right here, right? I've got 4 quizzes that have not been graded and that I need to get on a stick and do that this afternoon, okay? But what I'm going to do is I'm going to jump over here, and I am going to view this page as a student so that it looks like more like what you would see, okay? Now, right here is typically where you have your Class Connect sessions. Right now, I'm on my class home page. And you can see the banner right here with my name, my email, and my phone number up there in the banner. So again, you've got access to all of my contact information at any time. Please don't hesitate to reach out. Now, as I scroll down, you'll see over here on the left are my upcoming events, upcoming assignments, and things that we're doing, okay? But right over here are the class announcements. And with the class announcements, I organize them by the week. So this is week 1, August 19th through the 23rd of 2024. And in my class announcements, I have it broken down by the day and the assignment, and I'm going to put up PowerPoint slide links as well, okay? Now, notice that the links here also have links, but we haven't done them yet. So if you click on them, they're going to take you to a dead site right now, okay? Because we haven't done it yet. And then if you scroll further down, you'll see here's the recordings, okay, that we did on Friday. You have to remember that you are in period 4, okay? Because the only link that is going to work for you that you are authorized to get into is the period 4 recording, okay? So this is one place you can find these recordings, okay? The second place that you can access this is if you go to content, okay? And if you go to content, okay, over here on the left, you can see Unit 1, Science Fundamentals. And here's the recordings for Friday. And this is where I'm going to put the recordings for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Now, again, this is our first day having a Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday class. So these links are dead right now, and they're going to take you to places that aren't live, okay? But by the end of today, I will have updated these links and have them ready for you to use, okay? Now, the last place that I want to show you, and the one that I think I personally would encourage you to use, because really and truly the grades tab is your one-stop shop. It is the best tab in my humble opinion. So if I click on grades, okay, it's going to take me to my grades page, okay, and you guys all know what this looks like. Here you can see projects and exams are worth 45% of your grade, and there's going to be a link to it. And then right down here is going to be the recording for that exam, okay? So if I look over here, here's going to be where the points are that I earned on my exam and the grade that I have earned on my exam. So if I haven't done it yet and it's blank like this, I know that that's something I'm going to have to make up, right? Or that we haven't done yet. Um, or maybe I got a low grade on it. Maybe I got an F, right? I am allowed to take and redo any assignment up to 3 times. So if I don't like my grade, I can click right here, go to it, and retake it. Now, it's not going to make me redo every single question. It's going to ask me only to do the ones that I got wrong, okay? So that's pretty nice. Down here, as I scroll down, you can see star 360, okay? It's going to be worth 50 points when we get to that point, but we haven't done it yet, so it's blank right now. Now look right here. Here's my notes. Here's 40% of my grade. And you can see we've only done one notes so far, right? That was Friday. Here's a link to the notes, and here's a link to those recordings. So again, I can look at the grade that I got right here. I can decide if I want to redo it. I have 3 temps. I can re-watch that recording, or maybe I'm happy with it and it's good to go. But right on this one page, I can see my grade. I can see if I'm missing it, if I need to redo it. I've got the link to the assignment and to the recording. Okay, so give me a thumbs up if that makes sense to you and why this tab is the best tab. Awesome. Thank you so much for all those thumbs up. Yeah, awesome. Perfect. Wonderful. Okay, so I am going to stop sharing this now. Okay, and we are back here. So what we're going to do next is right here. So this is our plan for this unit. Okay, you can see it's not a super long unit, and it's about science fundamentals. So we're going to be talking about measuring things, the metric system, the scientific method, experimental design, and graphing. Okay, so that's sort of the outline for the whole unit. Okay, today we're going to focus in on the metric system and really talk about the 4 fundamental measurement tools or units and our derived units. And then we're going to talk just a little bit about accuracy and precision. So that's what we're going to do today. So I am going to drop those notes in the chat. Okay, go ahead and open those up. Okay. And question number 1 is just confirms that you understand that to earn attendance, you have to be in the class, be on time, and stay till the end. You need to be able to complete these notes because we're going over them today in class, and you're going to submit them at the end of class. Okay? So go ahead, open up your notes, click OK for question number 1. Okay, and then give me a thumbs up. Give me a thumbs up when you are good to go. Okay. Awesome. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Looks like everybody is good. I've got thumbs up. Okay. If you are not ready to, it says items not available for you. DC. Oh, no. That is not good. Okay, let me get you. Oh, that's because I gave you guys the wrong link. Man, I just goofed. Guys, thank you so much for catching that. Okay, try that link. That should give it to you. I'm so sorry. And those of you that have a thumbs up, you kind of got to, Becky, it works now? Does it work now? Awesome. Okay, good. Don't ever hesitate to call me out. Oh, good, Rylan. Yay. I love it that you opened yours through the grades tab. Yeah. Yay, Maddie. Yeah, that grades tab, I'm telling you, it is amazing. Everything is right where you need it. Yay, Sierra. Awesome. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started with our notes. Okay. So here, okay, I want you in the chat box. Okay. Tell me if your phone was broken and you didn't have GPS or you didn't have Google Maps or Apple Maps, and you're trying to tell somebody how to get to your favorite coffee shop, whether it's Starbucks or Nautical Bean or some other coffee place, okay? How would you tell them to get there? What would you do? What would you tell them street names? Yeah, Kira? Yeah. I don't know street names, so I wouldn't be able to do that. You would know the directions. So how would you give? Would you name the streets for them, like Kira did? Kira, sorry. Kira. Yes. I have to do it by things like go down, yeah, what it's close by, Sierra. That's what I have to do. I have to say, go down two stoplights and turn to the right, and it by the Shell station. Yeah, that's how I have to. Oh, Jennifer, that's fabulous. Yeah, telling them to walk to the left and where there's a corner turn or whatever. Yes. Becky. I would do it the same way you would. Yeah. Turn on Cactus, then go down Palm, DC. Yeah. Is that the directions to your favorite coffee shop? Love it. Yeah. Ace, that's what I would do too. I would talk about stores. Go by Subway and then turn whatever. Yeah. Because I don't always know the names of streets. Yeah. Your favorite store. Okay. That's awesome. I'm going to have to remember that. Okay. Awesome. So, measurements. Okay. Kyburn, you downloaded a piece of physical map. That would probably be the safest for me. I am horrible with directions. Yeah. So yeah, lots of different ways to give directions, right? But with measurements, right? Measurements a lot of times can be used in giving directions, right? Go down a mile and turn right. Go down two stoplights, turn right. Go till you get to the stop sign, turn left, or whatever. Okay. And these measurements show how matter and energy are kind of related. Okay. One thing I want you guys to do is kind of look at that my meme right here. Okay. It says physics teacher. What's 40 meters per second plus 30 meters per second? Student says 70. Physics teacher says 70 what? 70 apples or 70 bananas, right? And remember that measurements always come with units, okay? And that's something in this class you're going to have to remember, okay? That you need a measurement to go with your numbers. Ah, thank you, Becky. Thank you. Yeah. I love memes. I use memes a lot, so I hope that's okay with you guys. They just make me giggle. So I use them a lot. Okay. So measuring systems, okay? There's the English system that we use here in the United States. We are most familiar with it, but it's really, really hard to use. We have to remember that there's 12 inches in a foot, and 3 feet in a yard, 5,670 something feet in a mile, and so on and so forth. So really, really hard to use. And then there's the metric system. And in the metric system, the rest of the world uses the metric system. And we will use the metric system in this class because it's also the measurement system of science. And it's easier to use. You don't have to remember all the weird conversions. You just have to remember it's based on 10. So we move decimal places a lot, okay? When we talk about the metric system, there's 4 basic fundamental qualities, okay? And these are distance, mass, time, and temperature, okay? Distance is measured in meters. Mass is measured in grams. Time is measured in seconds. And temperature is measured in Celsius in the metric system, okay? So on this slide, okay, I am going to give you the annotation tools. And what I want you to do with your annotation tools is take your pen or pencil, okay, and measure or trace a line from the quantity to your unit. Exactly. So time is measured in seconds, distance is meters, okay, mass is grams, and temperature is seconds. Excellent, excellent, excellent. Perfect. Yes. Great job, guys. Fabulous participation. Remember that Engagely keeps track of your engagement and how much you participate in class, right? So when you participate with this, okay, we can go back and document how engaged in the class you are. So it's really important that you guys participate and engage with this. So I love, 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 love this, okay? I'm going to close the tools now, okay? And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the next slide that's a little bit cleaner. And I want you to do question number 2 now and make sure your answers are correct, okay? And then give me a thumbs up when you are finished with question number 2. Give me a thumbs up. Awesome. Ace, thank you. Grace, thank you. Emily, thank you. Errol, thank you. Hong, thank you. I appreciate you so much. Thank you, Clyburn. Thank you, DC. Thank you, Pamela. Thank you, Jenna, Kaylee, Kira, Becky. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you, Ryan and Rylan and Sabrina and Sophia and Tatiana. I appreciate you guys so much. DC, that's okay. Just make sure that you got your answers right. Awesome. Perfect. Okay. Awesome. So, distance, okay? I'm going to give you some kind of reference things, okay? We know distance is measured in meters, okay? But a meter is about a yard, okay? So look at question number 3. Question number 3, okay? I want you to match. A meter is about a yard, okay? About a yard. So that's question 3, okay? Time is measured in seconds, and 1 second is about a heartbeat. So think lub-dub. That's 1 heartbeat, lub-dub. You could also say 1 Mississippi, right? But that's about 1 second, okay? So on question 3, 1 second is matched with a heartbeat, okay? Okay, grams, okay, mass. 1 gram is about 1 small paper clip. A big paper clip, can you see those? There you go. A big paper clip is about 2 grams, but 1 gram is a small paper clip, okay? If you weigh 120 pounds, that's approximately 54,400 grams, okay, or 54 kilograms, okay? And then we've got temperature, okay? So temperature is measured in Celsius, and it's super easy to remember because 0 degrees Celsius is when water freezes solid into ice, okay? 100 degrees Celsius is when water boils, okay? In Fahrenheit, water freezes at 32 degrees Fahrenheit. Water boils at 212 degrees Fahrenheit. Much harder to remember than Celsius, where water freezes at 0 and boils at 100. Okay? Okay, so hopefully you have the question number 3 complete. But what I want you to do is just to make sure that we all have the correct answers, I want you to go ahead and take your pen, okay, and match these up for me, okay? Yeah, a gram is 1 paper clip. A second is about a heartbeat. A meter is a little bit over a yard or 3 feet. And then Celsius, okay, 100 degrees Celsius is when water boils. 0 degrees Celsius is when water freezes. Awesome. I love it. I love the different colors and the really crazy ones that are going off on the side. Like that. I also like that you guys are playing with the colors. Love it. Woohoo! I also love the smiley party face. Yeah. Very good. Very good. Okay, I'm going to close this one out. Okay. I think you guys have it. I think you got it good. Okay. Okay. So those are fundamental units. Okay. Meter, second, gram, and Celsius. Now, derived units. Okay. A derived unit is when they use a combination of the units due to some sort of, oh no, Hong, did you get kicked out? Don't forget, in Engagely, you can go and use less bandwidth if you need to, okay? If you go in the upper right-hand corner, you can change it. Okay, good, good, good. Okay, a derived unit is when there's a combination due to mathematical function where they combine these. So for example, velocity is meters per second, okay? Force is a kilometer meter per second. Density is kilogram per cubic meter. Okay, so those are derived units. And here you can see an example of that. Okay, you can see that volume is a derived unit because we calculate volume by multiplying 3 distances. We multiply length times width times height. And when we multiply those 3 things together, we get meters cubed or cubic meters, okay? We also use liters for a unit of volume, okay? And that is 1,000 liters, 1 kiloliter is 1 cubic meter, okay? So liters are also a derived unit, okay? Okay, so next, okay? Question number 4, okay? On your notes, which ones are derived units? Look at those, mark it on your notes, okay? And then I'm going to come back and confirm it. I'm going to give you 45 seconds, okay, for you to complete question number 4. Pick out all of the following derived units. Okay, there is our chime, right? So let's see how you did, okay? A derived unit is the meters per second and the kilogram meter per second. Those are the 2 derived units, okay? Celsius, meters, seconds, and kilograms are all fundamental units. Yay! Look at all the party hats. Woohoo! Good job. So proud of you. Yay. Fabulous, fabulous job. So good. Loving it. Okay. I'm going to close this up. So that is question number 4. Okay. So Eric, hey, how are ya? I have, there you go. There you go. There's the notes. Okay. We can go. Yeah. Eric, we will. We'll go back at the end of class for you. I'm good. I'm good. I'm glad you're here. Okay, so accuracy and precision. Okay, accuracy is how correct an answer is. Okay, when we have equipment in the lab, we have to calibrate a lot of these tools to make sure that they are measuring things accurately, measuring things correctly. Okay, so that's accuracy. And that is different than precise. Precise means it will give the same readings over and over and over. So it's reliable because it's repeatable over and over again. Okay, so look at question number 5. Question number 5. Okay, and it's fill in the blank. Okay, so you are going to type in correctness, and then on question 6, you're going to type in repeatability. Remember, spelling counts, capitalization does not count, okay? I'm going to give you 30 seconds. And there's the chime. Okay. So hopefully give me thumbs up. Are you good? You ready to go? Awesome. Perfect. Awesome. Thank you guys so much. Okay. Yay. Love the party hats. I really do. Okay. So look at this. We have three golfers. Okay. Golfer number one has shot three balls. Okay. None of them went into the hole. Okay. But they're all clumped right together. All three of his shots were very, very, very similar. Okay. Golfer number two also made three shots. None of them made the hole, and they're all over the place. Okay. Not a lot of repeatability there. Okay. Golfer number three made holes. All of them are in the hole. All of them are in the same place. Okay. So I'm going to have you annotate this and tell me golfer one, two, and three. Circle if they are accurate or inaccurate. Okay. Remember, golfer number three is the only one that made it in the hole. Okay. So what do you guys think? Oh, you know what? It kind of helps if I give you there. Now you have the tools. I'm so sorry. Okay, so use your pen. Okay. Yeah, golfer number one was inaccurate. Golfer number two was inaccurate. Golfer number three is the only one that's accurate. And golfer one was precise because he was repeatedly in the same place. That's excellent. Golfer number three was imprecise. He was all over the place. And golfer number three was also precise. Awesome. Good job. Fabulous. Fabulous job. Oh, smiley face. Loving it. Loving it. I love the stars too. Fantastic. And the hearts. Perfect. 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 Yeah. So you guys have precision and accuracy down. So here's question number 7. Okay. We have a thermometer. Okay. And someone read this thermometer 5 different times. They got readings at 4.3, 4.4, 4.4, 4.3, and 4.2. But the real temperature is 3.7. Okay. Did we do question 6? Yes. Yeah, we did 5 and 6 at the same time. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Okay. So, is this person who read this data, you can see all 5 of them are right up here. What do you think? Is he only accurate, only precise, both accurate and precise? What do you think? You guys are right. Yeah, the correct answer is B. Yeah. He was precise because they were consistent, right? It was repeated over and over again. 4.3, 4.4, pretty dang close, right? Not accurate though, because the correct temperature was 3.7. So yes, question number 7 is B. Okay. So Jennifer, we will go back to question number 6 at the end of class, if that's good for you. Okay. DC, B. Yes, it is B, only precise. Okay. So today we talked about the metric system. We talked about the 4 fundamental qualities. We talked about accuracy, precision. Oh, you got it? Okay. Okay. So with that in mind, I want to know, how do you feel? Okay. How do you feel about those things that we talked about? Do you feel okay? Yeah? Awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Okay, I'm going to share the results with you. Okay. So if you need help or you're confused, we will go back, okay, at the end of class and we can get those questions that you missed. Okay. Awesome. So everybody else should be done. Okay. And if you're feeling pretty good, go ahead, click submit. I click OK on question number 8 that you understand that you need to do your notes, your projects, and your exams, and submit that, and you will get your extra credit points. Okay. And you are free to go once you have submitted your notes. Eric, I'm going to go back to question number 1. Bye, guys. Bye, Maddie and Jenna. I will do 3. Yes. I'm going to start with question 1, though, because Eric came in a little bit late. Okay. Whoops. That's question 2. Hang on. Where's question number 1? Oh, question number 1, you just click OK. Okay. You just click OK on question 1. So question 2 is matching. Yes. Ace. I will do question number 5 for you too. Okay. Bye, Angelica. Have a great day. Okay. You good, Eric? Okay, you're done with that. So that's 2. This is 3. Okay. This is 3. So Gata and Eric, both of you, give me a thumbs up when you're done. There's 1 thumbs up. Okay. Awesome, awesome. There's the second one. Okay, that's perfect. And then derived units, okay? A derived unit is when we combine, okay? So that's meters per second and kilometer or kilogram meter per second. You're welcome, Gata. Eric, that wasn't you. Did you get 3? Okay. So sorry. Okay, you're good with 4? I'm going to close this. Awesome. And then do number 5 because there we go. Okay, Ace. Number 5 and 6 for you. Okay, perfect, perfect. Have a great day. You're good, Eric. No worries. Thank you. You're welcome, Ace. Have a great day. Bye. Okay. Adrian, Gwen, how can I help you? Praiselyn, how are you? How can I help you? You good? I'm going to sign out in about 30 seconds. So if you need me, let me know. Okay. Otherwise, you are free to go. Hi. Bye, guys.